matter what the future will bring. And when days are rough and tough, my faith keeps on shining. Though sometimes dreams are scattered, broken and tangled, I'll keep on believing. Every day, every night, every time that I pray, every tear, every drop, every moment that I kneel, every breath, every blue, every breath